Hello guys, I'm Masaj Kaur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, this is our fourth lecture of AutoCAD, and in this we see the different system requirements for AutoCAD. In this video, we see different systems who support AutoCAD different versions. Before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest videos. Now we start the video. System requirements. In this we see the system requirements for AutoCAD 2013, 14, 15, AutoCAD 2016 system requirements, also 17, 18, 19 and AutoCAD 2020 system requirements and AutoCAD 2021 system requirements. In the first one, we see AutoCAD 2013 system requirements. If you are looking at what are the minimum system requirements for AutoCAD 2013, then these are Windows 7 or Windows XP minimum for AutoCAD 2013. And the system is Intel Pentium 4 and the RAM need 2 GB RAM and the hard space is 6 GB and the graphic card 1 GB. These are the minimum system requirements for AutoCAD 2013, and I prefer you can use Windows 7, Intel Pentium 4 with 4 GB or 6 GB RAM, and hard you can use 180 GB hard disk, and graphic card size is 2 GB. Before you can use AutoCAD 2013, you can check your system. Now AutoCAD 2014 system requirements. Below are minimum system requirements for AutoCAD 2014. As like 2013, RAM 2 GB, hard disk space is 6 GB, processor dual core 1.6 or higher, Windows it's supported on Windows 8, 7 or XP, and I prefer you can use here 4 GB or 6 GB RAM, 180 GB hard, and system you can use here is Core2Do, and you can use Windows 7. You don't use Windows 8. I prefer you Windows 7 is best for you. And AutoCAD 2016 system requirements. Before you start AutoCAD 2016, make sure your PC meets minimum system requirements. And operating system is Windows 7, 8 and Windows 8.1. RAM minimum required 2 GB, hard disk space is 6 GB, processor 3 GHz Intel Core2Do dual core. I prefer you can use system at least i3 third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, and you can use Windows 7 for this. You don't use Windows 8, 8.1. Windows 7 is best for you. And RAM at least 8 GB RAM and hard space is 320 GB. Now this is the best system for AutoCAD 2016, and you can use graphic card also 2 GB or 4 GB graphic card. Different companies make different graphic cards with different prices, so you can purchase a graphic card which is in your range. AutoCAD 2017 system requirements. Before you start Autodesk AutoCAD 2017, 32-bit and 64-bit, make sure your system meet minimum system requirements. Operating system, it's supported on Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 and now Windows 10 also. Memory, minimum 2 GB RAM, hard space 6 GB, free space, and processor 1 GHz processor or later. I prefer you can use Windows 7. RAM now not 8 GB RAM, you can use here 16 GB RAM. Hard space is 500 GB, and you can use system here i3, i4. In i3 you can use 5th or 6th generation, and if you want to improve your system, and then you can use i5, i5 4th generation, i5 5th generation. So now AutoCAD 2018 system requirements. Before you start AutoCAD 2018, make sure your PC meets minimum system requirements. Operating system as like 7, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 and 10. Memory here required 2 GB minimum for 32-bit AutoCAD system, and if you want to use 64-bit version of AutoCAD, then you can use 4 GB RAM. Hard disk space 4 GB of free space required for installation. Processor 1 GHz processor for or faster. I prefer your system must be Windows 7, 24 GB RAM and 1 TB hard, and the system is you can use i5 4th generation is best for you. i5 4th generation for you, and latest version are i9. You can also use i7 6th generation, 5th generation. AutoCAD 2019 system requirements. Before you start AutoCAD 2019, you can check your minimum system requirements. Operating system Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. Memory 8 GB RAM. Hard space 6 GB, free for installation. Processor 1 GHz Intel Pentium processor or later. I prefer you can use Windows 10 here. Windows 10, and RAM should be 24 GB RAM, and space is hard space, your full hard space is and at least 1 TB, means 1024 GB, and this is your best requirement for AutoCAD 2019. You should also see your graphic card. If you have money and you should able to purchase graphic cards, then you can purchase a better graphic card of MSI, Radeon and many more graphic card companies. AutoCAD 2020 system requirements. Before you start AutoCAD 2020 64-bit, then make sure your PC meets minimum system requirements. Operating system as like Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. Memory 8 GB RAM minimum required. Hard space minimum 8 GB of free space required or 6 GB required, and processor Intel Core 2 or later. For AutoCAD 2020, I prefer you Windows 10, RAM 24, hard space 1 TB or more, and your graphic card, and I prefer you Radeon R9 270 graphic card. This is very good for your system. And in AutoCAD 2021 system requirements, before you start the AutoCAD 2021, make sure your PC system minimum system requirements. Operating system 64-bit OS that follows Autodesk product support life cycle policy. Memory 8 GB RAM, hard space 6 GB space required, processor 2.5 or 2.9 GHz processor. I prefer 2.9 or more GHz processor, and you should use at least 4 GB graphic card, and I prefer graphic card Radeon R9 270. AutoCAD 2021 system requirements, and you must use .NET framework version 4.8 or later. I think if you use Windows 10, you don't need this to install. It's already installed in Windows 10. Pointing device MS mouse compliant. Display card basic 1 GB GPU with 29 GBs bandwidth and DirectX 11 compliant. So guys, this is our video of AutoCAD system requirements. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment in below section. And if you want to know something about system requirements, then you can contact me on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and you can text me in comment. I reply you soon. Hope you like this video. And guys, see you soon in the next video.